The section line command can be used to create a standalone section line that can be used to create a section view. If your section view is simple, you can go ahead and create a section line on the fly using the section view command. This command uses the sketch task environment so you can create a section line that is associative to the model, giving you more flexibility in defining it. This can be a big advantage for models for which you anticipate revisions. Considering design intent, you can define the section line to accommodate the revisions and thus avoid having to edit the section line after every revision. The command is located on the Home tab View group next to the Section View command, and you'll likely select it by accident due to its similar appearance to the Section View command. The Section View command icon depicts only a section cut without a line. The command is also available on the pop-up menu, so I'll instead pick the parent view first, right-click, and select it here. Then you enter the sketch task environment with the familiar tools in the ribbon bar. It's a little more streamlined than normal, but all the tools are available. You can have only one continuous section line, which is why the most logical sketch curve tool is the only one that displays by default, Profile. I'll use it to create my section line. I'll start past the end of the model and then carefully select and constrain the segments of the section line to the features I want to cut, thinking about what may change in future revisions. I'll constrain the end to the side of the model and reuse the expression on the other side so they are the same. Point and curve constraints are convenient for the holes to ensure the line always cuts through them in case they move. To ensure I always cut through the center of the pocket, I'll use the expression for its width divided by 2. And I'll create two more dimensions, one that references the side of the pocket and one that references the side of the hole. The sketch is now fully constrained. These dimensions that display will only be visible in the sketch associated with the section line. And you can only constrain the sketch curves to geometry in this view. If you need to constrain to other geometry in the model, such as other sketches, you must add reference geometry to the sketch. When you are done with the sketch, click Finish to exit the sketch task environment and return to the section line dialog. Here, everything else should be familiar: reverse direction, settings, and associate to sketch. Click OK to complete the section line. If you view the Part Navigator, you will not find this sketch. It is not a model sketch. If you need to edit the section line, pick it, right-click, and select Edit from the pop-up menu, or simply double-click it. Then click the button Sketch Section to enter the sketch task environment. When creating a section view with the new consolidated Section View command, you can now use the standalone section line. This means it is only available for use on one of the 4 methods available on this dialog. Set definition to select existing, then pick the section line and continue creating the section view as normal.